Hello everyone, I am Vivek Khadka and our master's project was to create an app in Shopify Marketplace. The app could create a discount code. So my role was to create an user interface, which is the main part of the project. So moving on towards the first topic, our project outline. So this master's project was basically the development of a web application based on Shopify, which can create a discount code using influencer's name and handle. Influencer name is basically the social media influencer name, and the @ handle is the username that they use for for mentioning the name. So the discount codes will provide a discount code based on different discount types selected during creation via interface. So our interface had different discount types like free shipping, percentage discount, and dollar amount of discount, while the other discounts were dollar amount with minimum. And so moving on towards the next topic, research. So research, we did different research in order to complete this project. So for the literature review, I studied more than 10 peer-reviewed journal articles related to the influencer and discount code, as our app was mostly based on the influencer and the brand, which will give discount code to them in order to use it by the customer of the that came through the influencer. So I studied the journal articles in very detail. So I used different tools like Google Scholar, Blocks, IEE for the research purpose of the literature review, while I summarize the ideas from all the articles so that I can document it in the final report, which was the main assignment of our last semester. Moving on towards the topic methodology, we used agile methodology, which is one of the most famous methodology in order to complete a project. We had the product backlog from the client, as their requirements was being listed, and then we did a different sprint planning meetings with our teammates, and the different sprint backlogs were set. We had one scrum master from our team, which created a daily scrum, and our teammates worked on daily scrum in order to finish the work in time and submit it to the client weekly on the weekly basis, so that they can review the work and provide us with the suggestions. And in this way, this many sprint retrospectives were done and the project was completed in time. Moving on towards the system architecture diagram of our project. So our app was used by the merchant, which was created in React and Node.js, which is the front end, which can create the discount, and the discount code generated from the interface is stored to the discount code storage using the GraphQL, as GraphQL makes the request to the user interface, and user interface responds with the data, and the uh, data is stored to the API in order for activating the discount code. So what is the product usefulness? So once we deployed our web application on Shopify Marketplace, its user can generate discount codes using our user-friendly interface of Shopify application. So the created discount code will be launched or promoted in the influencers social media account, which will be used in the online store of Shopify, and can get a discount based on the different discount type. Moving on towards the UI design. So this is the UI design that we have created in the app. So it have at the rate handles, which is basically the influencer social media name, and we have the influencer name. Also there is the code section where we can manually enter the code, and there is different discount type section where we can select different discount type, and the discount type will be applied based on the discount selected here. So moving on towards the things that we have learned, so we learned to finalize requirements by discussing in the meeting to give the final product. We also learned to release product part in the form of scrums and the sprints, and we also learned to complete the tasks in the deadline. So we also learned to have a professional meeting during the week and show them in the form of presentation for the work we have done. So moving on towards the client engagement during our project. So our clients were from the Humble Links. As app was made on React and Node.js, they helped us by providing different tutorials as it was very new for every members in the group, and suggestions, and they provided the suggestions on the work done in order to make the app more reliable. So that's all. Thank you.